So once again, very good morning all the students. So we go to this is the second lectures of the introduction towards the curriculum of the course DTM. Course title was Digital Techniques and Microprocessor. Course code is 22323. Now the rationale, for what purpose we are want to go for the subject as we are student of IT. So what the rationale says, it is essential to know the fundamentals of digital electronics to understand the concept of microprocessor and its applications. Microprocessor benefits to meet the challenge of growing application of advanced microprocessor based technologies. Hence, students are expected to be conversant with the component of microprocessor and microprocessor based programming. This course is designed to help the student to design logic circuits and to understand the architecture of 8086 microprocessor. This course also enables students to develop assembly language programs using instruction sets of 8086 microprocessor. Now after doing this course, what you will get the benefit? The competency, the aim of the course is to help the students to attain the following industry identified competency through various teaching learning experience. You should be able to build digital systems including microprocessor based systems. Now we move towards the course outcomes. So during the course we have total 5 units are there. So 5 outcomes are there. The theory, practical experience and relevance of skills associated with this course are to be taught and implemented so that the student demonstrate the following industry oriented COs associated with the above mentioned competency. Test the digital systems, logic families and logic gates, construct combinational logic circuits, construct sequential logic circuits, use registers and instructions of 8086. This register stand for what? This is nothing but the memory parts. Develop assembly language program using 8086. Okay. Now we can move towards the practical part. So you can see here stars marks are there. So in the total practical we have to do total 12 practicals, minimum 12 practicals we have to do. So total star marks are there. So these practicals are very important. Note, a judicious mix of 12 or more practical needs to be performed, out of which the practical mark as asterisk are compulsory so that the student reaches the precision level of DAVE psychomotor domain taxonomy as generally required by the industries. Okay. Now these are the performance indicator. Okay, which is mentioned in your syllabus. Design digital circuits, implement and test the digital circuits, final design and program output, answer to sample questions, submission of design in time with accuracy and neatness. Total 100 marks. So these are the first 5 units are there. Unit 1, number systems, digital logic families and logic gates. Unit 2, combination logic circuits. Unit 3, sequential logic circuits. Unit 4, microprocessor 8086 and modern microprocessors. Unit 5, assembly language programming with 8086. Now about this is what specification table for the question paper design, how the question paper will be for the first unit. Okay, RUA stand for R for remember, you can see here, U for understand, A for apply. Okay, so from the logic families, total teaching of 12 in the question paper for 70 marks, 16 mark question will be asked from the unit 1. From unit 2, combinational logic design circuits, total 14 marks questions will be asked from the unit 2. 12 mark questions, total 12 marks of questions will be available from the unit 3. Again 12 marks of questions will be available from unit 4, and 16 marks of questions will be available from unit 5. Total 70 marks will be there. Okay. Now about the micro projects. Okay. So during this course, you all have to do the group wise. You have to do the micro projects. So few micro projects have been suggested by the MSBT, like you can see here. For digital techniques, our subject includes digital techniques and microprocessor. These are the suggested one. Okay. These are not the compulsory. You have to pick up from this list only. You can pick up from the list of practicals which are available with you within your practical manuals. Okay. So first one is burglar alarm, freezing warning buzzer, a push button lock, a light activated burglar alarm, a safety thermostat, an announcement watering system. From microprocessor, any one microprocessor you have to prepare either based on digital techniques or microprocessor. These are the suggested one. Okay. Either you can pick up, you can also pick up from the practical list of practicals, or you can do it of your own also, subject to the conditions that you have to take the permissions from the subject teachers. Okay. So these are the reference books which is mentioned in your syllabus course. So thank you.